Good morning. Hey, welcome everyone. Great to see you guys. How are you doing today? How are you doing on a new week? How is your time going? Welcome everyone. Great to see you. Great to have you on board. Make sure to like the video. Well, how do you enjoy your weekend? Let's have a look into the markets as well, and then slowly we're gonna dive into. We've been climbing today, right? We've been climbing a little bit on the Nasdaq. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Good morning, good evening. Happy to have you on board. Let me quickly share the presentation on the other groups as well. There you go. Big money on board, trading our giveaway accounts. I mean, we're doing giveaways and trading our accounts as well. Oh, that's still fine if you had a good time working. No problem. Look at the price action, guys. We're stuck 360s, and there's a lot of the levels below, a lot of them. Ho-ho. A lot of the levels below. For those of you that are fresh, just join us on board. Thank you so much. We're live. And here's for the giveaway accounts. Our great community member, Angelo, our great community member, just had a $12,000 payout from Savius. I'm not sure if that's visible right there. You just received 11,907 on Savius. Good job, buddy. Congratulations. For those of you that are interested right now, Savius, which, by the way, we're trading. Good morning. Welcome, guys. That's the link right there in the chat. And this is the current promotion available. We're going to trade our Lucid+YRM. Tap on futures on Project X. Tap on futures on Tradevate. Some accounts are in Tradevate that we've got. Then Lucid Flex on Quantower. And Savius on Quantower. Good day, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, there is an issue with the... Let me try to fix it with the audio. Maybe right now. Maybe. Let me quickly get into the details. Should be much better right now. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Make sure to like the video. So we're going to trade our firms. As usually. This is an important account for the YRM. This one, because we have 3 days, but we made 2,200 in 3 days. Today, on this one, I'd like to make the minimum $150. That's it. Right? Because the instant funding accounts, no matter on the size, for the YRM, your target is just $150 per day as a minimum. You can always make more, obviously, but you need 10 days of at least $150. And obviously the best deal out there is the instant funding accounts. You also have probably the cheapest evaluations at $44, no activation fee as well, for those of you that care about evaluations. But there's a lot of the people enjoying the 150k instant funded, which with my coupon code Scramble, there is an extra $90, so it comes down at $450. I'd like to make $150 for a couple of days on this account and see how we adjust and move from there. Look at that. We're going to take it step by step today. Expecting some choppiness here in between the 320s to all the 360s. Not much to go about it. We're going to take it slowly. Well, it nicely adds up into your account. And then, for example, you can consider if you're making in your first cycle, let's say, because obviously you want to make more, otherwise you just cash out and lose the account, which for some people is fine because buying a new account will give them $6,000 drawdown. Instead of building $6,000 buffer, they better buy a new account based on, you know, it depends on the mathematical numbers, right? It depends. It's based on preferences. If you want to build buffer, it's fine. If you don't want to build buffer, it's also understandable. Some say, well, I don't want to risk the payout I could actually take out right now. I like to cash out and simply buy new. It's also possible because a new account gives you $6,000. Now, if you just simply make more, which is normal, you're going to have buffer in the account. Essentially, you have to make more because after you cash out, you do want to have some money left in the account. So if we look into the payouts, and if you want to get to the big payouts, you want to get to payout number 4, which is $6,000 per account. Between the payout number 3 and payout number 4, there is a huge gap from $3,500 to $6,000. Taking $6,000 from an account is huge, guys, from a single account. You can have maximum 3 instant funded, which is how most of the people do copy trading with 3 accounts. So in order to reach that 4th payout, obviously you need to leave something in your account after the first payout. You need to do that. So essentially you'd like to make a little more, but depends on your strategy. Like some people just make the minimum and then instead of risking the payout, they just buy a new account which gives them $6,000 once again. Buffer or max loss or whatever way you want to call it. I mean, speaking about the payouts, you have a $6,000 max loss and you need to do $150 minimum per day. It's just a huge difference. Good morning, welcome guys, thank you so much for joining. So happy to have you on board. It's a very interesting price action here. And it's certainly not easy to be traded. Probably I'm going to test out a little short here. We just open it with a gap here. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much for joining. I'll have some limit orders right there for the shorts. I'm going to open up a short here too.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
57. Three contracts. 59. Two more contracts. There you go. Lucid 150k instant funded. Good morning, Red Candles. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Watching that 200 EMA, and obviously an imbalance candlesticks around the 290s. Volume weighted average price 263 on the daily. Yeah. Yeah, shouldn't underestimate the ability for us to climb above the 400s today and stick above that. Really questionable if happens before the New York session. I don't think so. But we'll see. I think we're going to chop till New York starts. So probably chop another 60 minutes. Let's see, guys. Supply. There's a pretty strong supply here. It has been confirmed for the past couple of hours. Yes, it did. Exactly. Make sure to price action and supply usually, but currently there's nothing more. Keep it down. Adding a little bit to this one. We also have our long here. I got a both pricing is the same for the Project X and TradingView for my Nasdaq. $350s. Not bad. Not bad for an acceleration here, guys. Keep the pressure coming through. That 38 target looks pretty juicy for me, hitting the full target of the day for this 3 accounts we've got here. Adding a little more to this. Almost there, hitting the target for the YRM accounts. I mean, for this is a single account here. Obviously, this is not a difficult trade. It's just 3 points. But this is kind of the one that I'd like to see hitting on the target. Way more important. Yeah, it wouldn't be bad to deny this green candle we have here and take it down. It wouldn't be bad with that top we've just made. Beautiful. Adding
Order
more to this,
filled.
guys. I've DC'd another round here. I'm going to DCA on YRM as well. And take my target a little lower, down to 44. That would be a good 400 bucks. This looks pretty interesting, guys. Cross that 48. And we take the stop losses out. So we nicely roll some volume. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Good morning. Lucid is running 40% off on 2 different flex accounts, the 50K and the 25K and the 50K, 40% off. The other flex accounts are 35% off. The instant funded, the direct accounts for the Lucid are 30% off. We have our weekly roundup for the promotions on our Discord for all the firms, Lucid, YRM, Top One, Savius. They're mentioned right here under the sales and promotions tab. Every single week we're doing it. Make sure to join our Discord. Yeah. That's not going to be bad, buddy. Adding a short
Order
here on
filled.
my Top One futures as well.
Order
See
filled.
contracts. Way to target into the 36 for an eventual market drop. Let's see. We got 4 green candles sitting at the same price section. What's the name of the contract that we've got basically for the current situation as of December 15th, guys? You want to verify that quickly? Z5. I got Z5 on my trade of it for the top on futures on the Nasdaq. Come on. Let's see how does the pressure builds in the next 15 minutes. What do you think about 12 AC? Looks like a decent trade. For Project X, it just rolls over automatically. It adjusts automatically for Project X. I'm a short, basically.
Order filled.
My trade of it with tap on futures.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We're going to keep it like this. These are the Sim Pro accounts from the tap on futures that we've got connected with Tradeovate. Let's see how does the rejection comes in, guys. Certainly waiting on it.
Order filled.
I could actually squeeze. And that would be some trouble for me. Adding a bit here to my short.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. We got some minis, micros for the Tradeovate. That's why a lot of the... And a bit of a squeeze comes in. Let's see, how do we adjust from here? We brought a price action back in the wick. It's pretty much a decent looking spot here for a reversal into the other wick, right? Let's see. It's a dangerous level. Look at that. We made a new high today. That would be the interesting side of it. If the pattern plays out. Let's see. Otherwise, we're gonna run. This is ugly. Takes away 2 days of profits here. Have to cut it away soon. Have to cut it away soon.
Order filled.
Yeah, our daily stop loss is 3,600. We pushed. Just managed to break out. We managed to squeeze.
Order filled.
We got cooked on that. Good to see you guys. Trade-of-It is the top on futures. Sim Pro accounts. I just purchased the Sim Pro accounts on the top on futures. That's happening on Trade-of-It for me. Daily lost 1,000. We got cooked over here. 3,600. We got cooked here. That's 2 days of profits we made Thursday and Friday. Gave it back. Exactly 2 days of profits. Thursday and Friday. We're $100 above the original balance. But this is the place I'd like to see if I can adjust something out of this trade. Didn't expect it as such a powerful squeeze. Worst case scenario was thinking about we're just taking above the wick. Probably around 65 or something like that, and then we just follow through the same reversal model. But we'll have to take the loss here. Stop loss. Right there at the top of the wick. Certainly not the best way to start off. Massive squeeze surprised me. Thinking about a form of choppiness before the New York session would actually start. Not the case, gentlemen. Not the case, gentlemen. Not an issue. Certainly not an issue. We're pretty much cool about it. And we got stepped out here too. That was a hell of a 15-minute push. 5-minute was brutal. Looking into the hourly. As a bullish instance today, we're gonna target that 480s today. There's 100 points from here with the monthly opening. Well, let's not forget that 390s do represent previous pivot point that was strong. We're about to pass our flex accounts. We need like 500 bucks accounts, 5 flex accounts of 150k for Lucid. Yes, so I'm trading basically tap on futures. And also on my Trade-Evade.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Copy trading 3 accounts. For the Sim Pro. I think you get the credentials on your email, or they're attached in your dashboard, something like that. If you purchase through Project X, you can't use it on Trade-Evade. Yeah, I bought it directly for Trade-Evade. And we're just trading here the micros, Sim Pro accounts for the tap on futures. They were pretty cheap. 150k accounts were like 150, no, were like 300 bucks, something like that. Are they gonna bring it all the way back? Now we've been just squeezed out of no reason. However, what is important, guys, is our flex for the moment. Very important. Very important, my flex accounts. 5 account Lucid Flex, we need $500 more. Look at that. And we passed the challenge. 500, 600. 600 bucks more and we pass the challenge. So we will have 5 funded of 150k on Lucid Flex, and that is the best possible, guys. Best possible. That is gonna be the best possible you can think about. Look at that. 5 funded of 150k. We're 500 bucks away from it. In 2 days, we made close to 9 grand. What do you think about the next 5-minute candle that is about to open? Grabbing a short here for the YRM. Good morning, welcome everyone. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's go. We're seeking about 600, 650 bucks here for this Lucid 150k. Huge Monday. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Let's get back into the 70s. Come on. Let's go, guys. 5 more points, 4 more points, and we are passing 5 accounts. We're passing the challenge of 5 accounts for the Lucid Flex. 2 more points, putting the stop loss on break even. 2 more points needed. And we will celebrate like mad. Come on. Just a little more. 2 more points needed. We need to do like 159, 100 or 200 or something like that. I know it's $600 profit. Like 159, 100. That's how much we need, guys. Good morning, everyone. There was a single point away hitting the target on my flex. And we got the break even. Absolutely lovely, right? We got the break even. They pushed it back. They've pushed that one back. I'm putting break even here as well. Yeah. That was pretty close, right? That was pretty close. One minute to go for the flat opening on the hourly. It's gonna be interesting, guys. Market's holding. Yeah, let's see how does the flat hourly opens. There's going to be some liquidity right now and some volatility, guys. Yeah, it's holding nicely. And we had a good possibility of dropping, retracing, which is exactly what I traded earlier. Five seconds and the new candle opens. This is a flat hourly. Testing out a little short here. 3 contracts. Let's see. Now we're gonna put a stop right above it. We got stopped out at $500 loss. It's continuing. Very interesting. This is still capable of continuation. Yeah. It's kind of uncomfortable for me to long it. Especially here. Pretty uncomfortable with that. Yep. Getting into a higher time frame. We do have a pivot resistance coming here. 390s. I just don't want to be continuously shorting and be on the wrong side. I got shot today from shorts. Choppiness did not last that much. We're just 15-minute continuation movements of algo purchases for 5 hours and 45 minutes so far. There's 27 minutes to go, guys, and the market opens. At 4:26. It's gonna be interesting. Not really choppy. Not really choppy from what we see. Nope. It's a pretty interesting trend. We got stopped out. 3,600 for the Lucid 150k direct accounts. What we made on Thursday and Friday got knocked out here. This one might be still seeking that continuation. Not gonna trade anything for the moment. But look into the 5 minutes. Let's see if a short holds here. With a stop loss pretty tight. with a stop loss pretty tight. That's good for the moment, 185. I think I'm gonna stop there with this account because we don't need more. But we've got our flex accounts producing money, guys. Come on. 6 minutes short, stop loss and break even. We got into a short here in the meantime. 5 more points downwards and we're good to go, taking our big price. In other words, passing the challenge of a Lucid Flex, of 5 Lucid Flex 150k is something very, very valuable, I would see. With no target, with no consistency, funded accounts like that of 150k that are having a lot of the buffer is just the best choice possible, right? Is just the best choice possible, guys. Few more points down, come on. Few more points down. We need to do 600 profit. 600 net PNL. 3 more points are needed. 2 more points, guys. What do you guys think about this one? 2 more points needed for me to pass the challenge and get my 5 Lucid Flex of 150k funded. 1 more point is needed. I sold 3 contracts there. Could be a previous pivot point here. I fully exited for the moment. Fully exited, guys. We have $206 profit. We have 744. And we need to bring this one on from 744 into like 150. So that means $400 more. $400 more will be needed here, guys. It was a good exit. It was a good exit. We made some money here. You know, I'm just gonna stop trading this account. I'll put myself on daily lockout. It's basically the 3rd day hitting the target. We have a day of 1,000. We have a day of 165 and a day of 185. Right? So we were making... Where is it? There you go. Not this one, the other one. This is the one. Right, so we pushed more in the first day. We got to that 1,000 and then we made the minimum. That's the massive advantage with the YRM accounts, especially if they're instant funded. We got 20 minutes to go when the market opens. It's good that we have exited from our flex accounts. Grabbing a little long here, testing out the waters. Let's see. 396 for my exit. Stop loss break even. Come on. 2 more points will be needed, guys. And we fully confirm passing 5 Lucid Flex accounts of 150k. Come on. Just a little more above the previous wick. Give me that little move, guys. Give me that little move. Just above the previous wick slightly. A single tick. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, guys. Come on. We need 3 more points here. Nah, they didn't want it to grab that liquidity. We stopped out on break even. We'll have to reposition on that. We still have here on YRM an account that's pretty affected. Look at those rejections, guys. Don't forget to join our free prop firm community. Could be a local top here, right? We have a pivot from the hourly. 395. Testing out a little short. We'll open up a short on my Quant Tower as well. 3 contracts short. Let's see. Thank you. Yeah, if this look at that continuation pattern. The continuation pattern is there. The current candle we have should have been red downwards in case of a confirmed double top, right? But let's just wait a little more. I sold partially there and accepted a little loss. In case this wants to continue. Yeah. Sold another contract. Let's see. I just DCA'd right now. Possible temporary top. So if we get the necessary strength for a good continuation, I'm happy to monetize it. We need about 10 points in the current format. All the way 380s. Not bad for the moment. Could actually cliff if we have that pressure adjusted. Thank you so much, guys, for joining, by the way. Trading our YRM, trading our Lucid. This is our Lucid Flex 150k. No stop loss yet. Here's our 150k YRM account. Stop loss and break even. Break even has been touched. What a silly move, guys. Look at that. Let's just wait and see. I just sold another contract. One more. I am fully out, so we're $100 down. That 1 minute candle we just had is dangerous to sit in a short, guys. We got a candlesticks we've got here. Look at that one. We made a new high today, and I've reshorted the market from the new high. Let's see. For the YRM, we've got 4 minis short. Look at that. Could be a start of a flat top here. Take profit all the way around this levels. $1,000 would be needed for me. Bring it down, boys. Grabbing my my short here for the Quant Hour Flex accounts as well. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's see if we're capable printing that 9 points movement. Been trying to achieve that through shorting the markets today. Adding more to this. Six points needed for my flex accounts. Otherwise, if it becomes ugly, we're out. No question asked, and we're out. Stop loss break even for my YRM. Come on. Our exit for the YRM for the $1,000 profit is on 380. Meanwhile, for my Lucid Flex accounts, 382.83. 82.75. 4 more points, 3 more points needed. Stop loss and break even here, guys. Let's see. Let's see, guys. Just a little more. Come on. That was a single tick, guys. 82.75 is what I need. And we passed the challenges of 5 accounts for 150k Lucid Flex. And there you go, guys. We passed the challenges. We freaking passed the challenges. 159, 118. We've passed the challenges, guys. And we also touched the profit on the YRM 150k. Time to celebrate this one. Finally, we passed 5 accounts challenge. Lucid Flex, 150k, copy trading all the 5. Boom. And we're now getting it funded, guys. You have no consistency, no target. That's crazy. These are probably the best accounts. Thank you, guys. That was a hell of a fight. Look at that. That was a hell of a fight. Honestly, that was a hell of a fight today. We had a few good trades. But you see, things didn't work out as expected, right? Let's look into the numbers. Look at that one, guys. So, you passed the evaluation. You passed the evaluation. 2 of them passed. This one needs the balance to 9,072, and we have 9,032. So we need $40 on one account. This one should also be passed. And this one needs $270 more. We touched the target here. Consistency is fine too. So, ho, let me adjust that and see how we can work it around. Set up my copy trader for that. Set up my copy trader for that properly. Three minutes to go when the market opens. Alright guys, so we need around 300 bucks as it looks like from the latest updates. Oh, you're still in a short? Maybe it's not a bad idea. We got stopped out there. Maybe it's not a bad idea for your short if this level is not holding. But it looks like it's there. We had a decent long earlier. Oh, target has been touched, guys. We just pushed like that. Look at that. Target has been touched. We made some good money right now. We had all the copy trading going around. That was a 23 points movement. Look at that one, guys. Look at that candle. We've got 1,000 made here, 159,490. Let's just quickly verify what's happening. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Boom. Let's just verify what's happening on Lucid. Let me refresh my page here with the accounts. Look at that. One more passed. This one is going to get passed as well, for sure. Profit target 9,400 and we need to do 9,072. This one profit target 9,387 and we need to do 9,000. Consistency is on both sides. Great. So we have passed all of them. It needs to be updated, but we have passed all of them basically. Let's just celebrate, guys. That was a hell of a fight, like I told you. That was a hell of a fight, guys, like I told you. Come on. Boom. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video. Like the video, be subscribed. Coupon code SCRAMBLE for pretty much any purchase anywhere. Come on, guys. We are like 190 fellas, and we're sitting on 100 likes. So the conditions to participate the giveaway is to participate the form and like the video, be subscribed to my channel, join the Discord. If you do not complete the following ones, you're not going to be able to win. Everyone like the video, come on. Five accounts that we passed all of them. Some of them are already ready. Oops, we had the opening bell. There you go. And look at the opening. Let me see if I can do something with this ones. Maybe I'm still gonna be able to make some money here. Let's go, guys. Look at that. Not bad, right? He's not bad, guys. Look at that. Come on. Keep sinking. 1,500 secured. We're reshorting this. For the market's dropping. Adding to my short here. This is the account we had today, $3,500 lost on the YRM. Recovered $1,500 from it. And we got into a new short. Let's go. Finally, we passed the flex accounts, 150k, 5 accounts copy trading. We passed all of them, guys. We passed all of them, and that's a huge achievement. Looks like we're not sinking yet. This one had 3,500 loss. Yeah, that's a huge achievement we had today. I was pretty nervous trading those accounts. I've just DCA'd a little more. Come on. Looks pretty interesting for a short, right? Pretty interesting, guys. If it has the ability to continue, stop loss and break even, let's go, guys. Come on. Bring it down into the 50s. We're about to erase the entire loss of 3,500 and possibly print some profits on top of that. This is the 150k YRM instant funded. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. Few more points. Few more points. Few more points. I sold 2 contracts. 2 more. And let me just, continue. Like, we're $600 profit. I'm out fully. 755 profit. Look at that one, guys. So from $3,500 loss we had at the beginning of the stream for this account, we brought it into 755 profit. There you go. After passing those flex. There you go. That's the name of the game. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Where's the guy? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. 342 hit, guys. There you go. Big money has been made pretty much everywhere. That was very important out here. Look at the candlestick we have here. We almost have a 100-point drop. Nicely making money from the short. Let's just look back into the... Ho ho ho. This is the account. This is the lovely account, which has 4 days. That's the performance of it. Look at that one. That's the performance of it. 4 days of great profits. We made 3,000 totally. If we do $150 for the rest of the 6 days, which would be 900, we're going to take the account to 154 and we can do the max payout. 154 is slightly above than 2%. So with 2%, you take max payout on instant funded for the YRM. Think about it, guys. It's just insane, right? It's just insane. That's the instant funded, and here you got the challenge. Ho ho! Lovely day so far. So we also made 1,000 today on one of the accounts and 185. All the 3 accounts for the YRM reached the target. You want to see a V-shaped recovery? I think it's very likely. Honestly. But that was insane for the Lucid Flex. Absolutely crazy. Let's see what we can do with this Ignite account here. And I still got my Savius. Let me trade my Savius too. By the way, they started the promotions. You know, we've got the weekly roundup for the current promotions on my Discord sales and promotions tab. For all the firms, you'll see the biggest discounts available.
Order filled.
Testing out a little long here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nah, we got to step down. I'm still going to long it. Let me see what we can do for the Savius accounts. Look at that wick. No, extremely happy today with all the things in the way it has worked out. Extremely happy. Recovering 3,500 for an instant funded of YRM. Bringing 5 Lucids. Flex to funded. The big ones. We're touching the daily volume weighted average price. Way up here. Have a look into my Savius. 5 minis. We got subbed out and break even. 300k accounts. Trying to see if I could actually scalp something. I'm out for the moment. Let's see what we can do with the savviest ones. Let's see if there's something behind it. Alright, that looks juicy, guys. Come on, bring it up. 2,000 bucks profit, stop loss and break even. Give me higher. Give me about 4 grand. That's all I need. 4 grand and 100 bucks. Not even a dollar more. Give me that one. 349. 349. Keep pushing, guys, here. We are having 5 minis long on 5 accounts. Keep going. We're not exiting. Out for the moment. Out for the moment. 1,000 in profit. 1,000 in profit. Out for the moment. Lovely exit, right? We were 1,000 down. Now we're at 1,000 in profit. It's not that comfortable as it looks like for the longs. Look at this, guys. We would have been wiped out. Testing out 2 contracts long here with a stop loss pretty tight. Pretty tight. Not playing games. We're already break even. We touched it. Sitting on a daily volume with an average price. Opening a little short here. Stop loss and break. Ah, I touched that. Back into my little short. Let's see. Stop loss. Yeah. We touch it. Testing a little long with a stop loss right below. Let's see if it holds. Adding to this. Stop loss right below. Take profit around the 20s. Interesting, guys. Let's see if we get that little double bottom here. Extra push. But it's risky, of course. It's pretty risky. Might still want to continue. We have a lot to go downwards. If that's the scenario in case we embrace, we have a lot to go. We have been saved right now. We have been saved right now. I got a little lucky with that. You know, we're playing very aggressive with this accounts. 5 minis on the opening is a lot. But this is our 300k account. Look at that. You know. Our profit has been wiped out. I do have a level 220s, which is pretty interesting. 220s. $220s is pretty interesting. Reshorting this. Let's see if there's something behind. I think there is a nice room towards 220s. Those are huge Savius accounts of $300,000 each. We got 5 of them. Good job, buddy. Pretty risky spot here. Gotta put a stop loss above the current wick we made. We got 5 minutes short. Connection lost for a second, guys. Connection lost for a second. Hope you can hear me. We probably got stopped out on that one. Come on. We'd have had a connection problem. We had a little connection problem. Little network issue. Yeah, we have a network problem. We got a little network issue. But I think we're fine for the moment. We just got back fully. Yeah, Quant Tower got stuck and it's freezing. Quant Tower got stuck and it's freezing, guys. Good, I had my stop loss and everything in place. We'll still have network issues from what it looks like. We're gonna do the giveaway soon. Sign up for the giveaway. We're doing the giveaway soon. Not an issue with the tabs. Certainly. Look at that hourly candle. We're going to wait a little bit and look for the streaming coming back. Because I see it's lagging. And it's because of the current network situation. Good morning, welcome guys. We've got a network problem. There's a problem with my internet connection.